sure to tag LunaAura.ph on all socials with this hashtag as well. Thank you so much, Nika. Dito na muna kami ni Sophia to share the same stage with two beautiful women. Oh my gosh. Ikaw mamaya ka na. Mamaya na, rest ka lang doon. Oo. So thank you, thank you. How about a round of applause for co-founder of LunaAura, Nika Atletis once again. There you go. Hello, Sophia, kumusta ka naman? How are you?
First of all, gusto ko naman pasalamat sa lahat na nandito. I know the weather has been so bad, but then you guys are still here joining us today. You know, your time and effort is so much important to me. I appreciate all of you guys. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan kung sino yung mga nandito today.
Wow! Sino ba pumunta dito para sa LunaAura? Ay? Sino ba pumunta para sa LunaAura? Sino ba pumunta para kay Sophia Andres?
And also, I want to congratulate JC and for this. This is such a successful project. And you guys have been trusting me. I'm so thankful. I never thought that my brand would really trust me. Since I'm not active on TV, you know.
Oh my gosh, you are too humble, Sophia. Beautiful and humble. Diba? So how about a round of applause, Sophia in full aura. Nandito po kami sa stage ngayon. Now, you know, we asked our attendees to send in their questions. So we'll be asking you a few of them. Number one, ready na kayo. You started as a commercial model when you were as young as 3 years old. My goodness.
Imagine.
Parang 3 years old ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, no? Can you share a super vivid memory from those early days?
I just started when I was younger. Because I was really guy. I was so smart and I love going to auditions, being on screen. I really enjoy it. So, sabi ko, Mama, okay, I'll support you. So, nag-enjoy siya. I did fashion shows, commercials, and until when I turned 12, nagpaalam na ako, baka pwede yung this shoes. Baka makalimutan mo ka. No, I can do this. Basta payanan naman ako. Then, ayun na, natuloy ko siya, and I think I am with Star Magic for, let's say, maybe like 15 years. Yeah, so I've been working my whole life, which I never thought that I was working back then. Because what do I know? I thought I was just having fun, and it was really fun. And I'm still here.
Yeah, so thank you so much for sharing that. No? As early as 3 years old, you're already working and having fun. So can I invite, before I head on to the second question, I'd like to invite our two co-founders, JC and Nika, to join us here on stage for the Q&A. More people, more fun. Yes. Okay, so ito na, we touched on Sophia Andres being an actress and a model as early as she was 3 years old. Now on to being a role model. You've played many roles in your life, and you're also a role model, especially to many young people. So what makes a person a good role model? And do you see yourself as a good role model?
I see myself as a role model. I think I do. If you guys really follow me on social media, I really show off my family and my friends. I would die for them. Well, can I say kill for them? I would because, you know, love really fuels me up. And hindi ako iiyak ha. Wala yung glow.
Hindi nawawala ang glow. Yun ang magic ng Hope Glow. Super kahit umiyak ka pa dyan. You will still be glowing.
The love for my family talaga is always there. And I think that we're reflections of others. And I think they know that I really fight for what I have, for what I believe in. So I think that's my power.
So just not being anyone else but yourself, being your authentic self. What you see right now is also what you see on social media, o diba? So you have good role model ka, and that's what makes a person a good role model. Now, you once said this in an interview, while my journey may not resemble a fairy tale, it is filled with love, growth, and a deep sense of purpose. So walang iyakan today. But could you tell us more about how you grown on your journey and how did you define your purpose, Malin?
My purpose in life is actually my family. I wake up in the morning and know that we're thinking. That's already a purpose. I feel like I couldn't ask for more.
Can you have a napkin, please? This is nag-escalate itong question na to real quick. Pakita talaga sa atin ni Sofia na kahit emotional na tong interview portion natin. Nakaka-glow pa rin siya. Super glow pa rin si Mommy dito sa harap.
Yeah. Along the journey, I realized that we cannot have everything. And now I feel like waking up in the morning feeling that I'm so fulfilled. You're also a mom. So even though hindi tuloy-tuloy my projects and everything, but still I'm given much blessings because I appreciate the blessings that's, going my way. And I think that's the best feeling on earth, being a mom. That's the best feeling for me. And although it's slowing down my career, for me it's the best because I have time for my daughter, I have time with my family, and at the end of the day, family is all I want.
That is such a good mindset. But if you don't mind, I know you're being super humble. I don't think your career is going down. In fact, I think your career is branching out to new directions. Actually, hindi ako nakarelate din. Kasi parang ganun din when you become a mother, di ba? Parang they say na, baka something ends. But no, it's new opportunities for you, different.
I think just to harsh I'm workaholic. I really have to do more. I want to explore more. I'm just really happy. I'm with Gojo. Seriously. I'm not
Can I just say, this is also the main reason why we love Sofia so much and why we chose her to be the first celebrity endorser of Hope Globe. Her realness, how raw and unfiltered she is, and how, it's rare to find people who still wear their hearts on their sleeves. Because now, especially with cancel culture, people always having an opinion about your life. Not everyone will agree with everything all the time. So it takes a special kind of person to stay true to themselves, lalo na if they're in public.
Super right. And that mindset that you have, you don't compare yourself to other people. Yeah, that's something that we should all emulate. Next question na pati ako medyo emotional.
Sumayin na ako para makakalman ako si
You've been on camera for most of your life, so how would you say our definition, like society's definition of beauty, has changed through the years?
Knowing myself, I would say beauty is always on the inside, no matter what. It's never reflected on the outside. So that's why Hope Globe is perfect, because it's inside, from inside to outside. So,
thank you. Now I know that question was directed to Sofia, but since the two of you are co-founders are here, I'm sure kaya kayo may Luna Aura.
May pa-society yung best.
Diba? May pa-society.
Pa-society.
Yes. Learning tayo. We culture here. Okay, so may I direct the question also to JC and Nika?
I think, our audience today are people from the media, so they themselves are the eyes of our culture. And from the early days of Sofia's career until now, there's really been a shift, I think, of how beauty is defined. Gone are the days that beauty is naka-template. There's one kind of beautiful. This is the kind of beautiful everyone aspires to be that. No? And you might think, wow, that's rich coming from a glutathione brand. But it's true. No? These days, people have the freedom to express themselves on how they want to be perceived. And, it's wonderful. That's also why, kung papansin niyo, hindi namin pinili yung pinakamaputing artista. Diba? Obviously.
True.
Yeah. Because for us, it didn't matter. It didn't matter. We wanted somebody who could truly exhibit beauty from the inside out, then I think we've made the right choice.
Nika, you want to add on?
I want to add na kasi when we launched Sophia as our first ever celebrity endorser, maraming comments sa TikTok na buti na lang hindi kayo mukha ng kape. First time na hindi kape. And we always say na ever since, Buddha Palace is not just for wine, the benefits go beyond wine. And si Sophia, she loves Hope Glow Super because it gives her the glow, it gives her the confidence, diba? And you're putting natin talaga. So, there.
Yeah, so from the briefer, natutulog ko rin na hindi lang papaputi talaga ang glutathione. As a geek myself, I love it when it said na it boosts your immunity system. Bilang the skin na, di ba, is the largest organ in the body, yun talaga, di ba, gusto natin na ma-boost yung immune system. At ang ating skin ang exposed sa lahat ng mga free radicals, tulad na nasabi ni Doc Jaja kanina. So thank you so much. Oh, we learned a lot. I learned a lot. Kasi kasama dito, I'm the happiest. Alright, now what's the role of Hope Glow Super in your beauty regimen? Gusto namin malaman kung paano ba.
To be honest with you guys, it's my favorite. Kasi minsan, I don't have time to do my skincare routine. I don't have time to go to my derma, with that. Hope Super. Parang it's very low maintenance. It's on the go. You can always keep it with you, but still, you know, have to make sure you're glowing every day. That's me.
And you know what you said na about glowing, no?
Yeah.
Glowing really is in the inside. And that's what you said earlier. So hindi lang siya yung nakikita mo sa labas. And that is why we're here to reframe the typecasted glutathione na papaputi lang siya, outside lang siya, but holistically, beyond widening. Diba?
What's nice with Hope Glow Super is it has oral sunblock. I'm sure you've noticed that Sophia loves doing after she's going to the beach. So the oral sunblock really protects your skin from UV.
And I don't break out anymore. That's what I noticed. Yung interview ko Pinas, I would like to share it with you. Sabi ko nga, I am not gonna stand the brand if I don't believe in it. So I'm here, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it because I do believe in this product.
I'm so happy you said that. And I'm so happy you're here also. So thank you so much, Sophia. Now, what would you say to people who think taking glutathione to lighten the color of your skin carries a stigma? That you're not proud of your natural color?
For me, I don't judge them. If they want to have brighter skin, then go for it. If that's gonna make you feel so confident. Like me, changing the color of my hair, or like, you know, iba-iba tayo ng gusto. And if it helps you, your soul and your mind, I'm all for that. Kasi mental health is very important. And I'm not gonna judge anyone. But I know they've been going through a lot, and I'm not gonna take it against them.
Yung talagang sumatan ng beauty nowadays, good mental health, being well-rounded, right?
It shows.
It shows na hindi kailangan na.
And obviously, we have to be honest, no? The great majority naman po talaga of the people who are taking Hope Glow Super are taking it because they want to achieve that side effect. Now, if you're taking it for a long time, if you're taking a dose that is sufficient, your skin will really lighten. No? That the science behind that is clear. But again, we agree with Sophia. You know, each their own. You know, if people can express themselves with tattoos and piercing, then why not with the color of their skin as well?
Exactly. And you know, ngayon nga, mas we take pride in, you know, going out of the mold, right? So, that's good to know. Now, being a mom naman, baka umiyak na naman tayo, no? Let's prepare. Just kidding. Happy memories. You talked about how being a mom has made you more selfless. Like when you're shopping, you tend to think more about what Zoe wants or what Zoe needs versus what you want or what you need. So how else has being a mom changed your priorities?
It changed my life, really, being a mom. Kasi I know my worth now. I know what I deserve. And yun yung question kanina, what's your purpose in life? Parang now I can navigate my path even clearer. So parang, it's such a blessing in disguise. I know for some people, I got pregnant early. and I never thought that I was going to be ready for something big kasi responsibility good forever. And I think it's the biggest gift na binigay ni God for me. And I'm always be grateful na naging nanay ako. I'm not gonna cry again. Siguro tatawa sila, bakit siya yan?
Bakit label ng funny with the same time?
Oo. That is so nice. Really, being a mom, you know, women in general are super, right? Super women, super moms, right? There's a term. Yes, they're really superheroes. And being a mom, it sort of gives you that tunnel vision that you already have that person in front of you. So it makes you want to take more care of yourself, diba? So be it being healthy, nga sabi ni Nika at JC, beauty is being healthy is being beautiful, and it shows in this person, seated here. So ito, para lang medyo ma-break yung maaalala mo kaya ang mood natin dito, being a mom. Now, let's do fast talk, superpower. So, kayo na rin, sama lang kayo para fun naman. Oo. So, the first superpower is super metabolism. You can eat as much as you want without gaining weight. Ano yun? Churros!
Tapos unlimited pa.
Unlimited. Sarap na nun. JC,
Ako, chips.
Chips.
Any kind of potato chip.
Hindi ako dito, Mami. I'll go for home crystal.
Ay!
Okay, Crystal. Kaya siya better half full. Nakalimutan ko ang marketing angle.
Bawal na lang
Okay, so chips potato.
Oo, next, flight or super flight. You can fly to one place anywhere in the world, where would you go? No limits to. Outer space ba to? Bahamas? Go!
Judgment.
No judgment. No judgment.
Kasi I wanted to work for NASA. So I wanted
Iba mo, nakulaan mo yun.
Tignan niyo, see how
I
multi-dimensional she is.
know! Hindi lang pangputi.
Pagkalawakan. Celebrity pagkalawakan po si Sofia Andres. No, we're not making fun because that's amazing. Kasi like, when we have kids also, we want them to be able to dream big, di ba? And that's a great answer.
Nika, super flight. Japan. JC, Japan.
Ako, I want to go to Paris with her. Bibigyan ko siya. Pagkalawakan. At least pagkalawakan. Sofia Andres.
Hindi kailangan ng Facebook.
I think that is star for all dimensions. Oh my God,
Next is invisibility. You can go to any place or any event in the Philippines without being recognized. Or would you know? I guess this one is really for you. That's nice. Parang hindi ka dumugin din doon.
whatever I want. People want to
Pero dumugin din pala. May glow pala. Invisible glow. Next would be time travel. You go back in time and have a 5-minute conversation with pregnant Sofia Andres. What would you tell her?
You're going to be a great mom.
Aww. Ako iyak. Bakit ganun? Dapat mo tumingin sa akin, Sofia. Okay, really empowered answer. Now we move on to the next set of questions. By the way, all of the questions that I just said, these were pre-selected from the questions that you sent over the QR code. So thank you so much. We have additional questions here by Bernard Santos. So what?
Sir Bernard, yeah,
Sir Bernard. At dahil nasabi ko yung pangalan niyo, meron po kayong limited edition Luna Aura tumbler. So thank you so much for sending in this question, a special mention. What are the positive effects to yourself after using Hope Glow Super?
Yeah, as I've said, it will break out in more and my skin is super protective. Although I'm always on the beach, I don't have to worry about anything. And of course, if I have like, you know, intentional but Hope Glow really saves me. Like every day. Kasi di ba tayo kumakaw sa Hope Glow? And
Just have no time to do all the regimens now.
with one tablet, goes a long way.
Bakit mo mga Hope Glow Super?
Marami siya. Malakas ako sa may-ari.
Oh my distributed